Most people over 60 notice this silent problem too late, and it steals independence. Today, we have a doctor who's seen how early action changes lives in Japan and the US. Doctor, welcome. Let's uncover this hidden issue. What is the one thing most people over 60 notice too late, and how widespread is it in the US right now?
The issue most seniors notice too late is age-related hearing loss, known as presbycusis. It's gradual and sneaky. People often don't realize it's happening until conversations become frustrating or family points it out. In the United States, it's extremely common. About 1 in 3 adults aged 65 to 74 have disabling hearing loss, rising to nearly 1 in 2 over age 75, and up to 90% in those over 80, according to recent National Institute on Aging and CDC data. Millions go undiagnosed or untreated for years. Many first notice it subtly, missing high-pitched sounds like birds, doorbells, or microwave beeps, but dismiss it as just getting older. By the time it's obvious, like asking people to repeat themselves constantly or turning up the TV volume, significant permanent loss has occurred. In Japan, where I practiced early, routine hearing checks start earlier, and cultural emphasis on communication keeps awareness high, leading to earlier intervention and less isolation. Here, denial or stigma delays help, turning a manageable issue into one that affects brain health, safety, and relationships.
Why do so many wait too long to address it? What happens in the body and mind when hearing fades gradually?
Hearing loss progresses slowly over decades, often starting in the 50s or 60s. Tiny hair cells in the inner ear that detect sound wear out from aging, noise exposure, genetics, or conditions like diabetes and high blood pressure. High-frequency sounds go first, women's voices, consonants like S or th, making speech sound muffled or unclear, especially in noisy places. People adapt unconsciously. They lip-read more, nod along, or avoid social situations. But untreated, the brain gets less auditory input, leading to auditory deprivation. This accelerates cognitive decline. Studies link untreated hearing loss to higher dementia risk, faster memory loss, and depression. Social withdrawal increases loneliness, which worsens everything. Safety suffers too. Missing alarms, traffic sounds, or calls for help. In Japan, proactive screening and hearing aids from milder stages preserve brain stimulation and social ties. Many Americans regret waiting because once cells die, they don't regenerate. Early action slows progression and protects quality of life.
What are the real-life consequences when people notice hearing loss too late? How does it impact daily living and health?
The toll is profound and often underestimated. Conversations become exhausting. Misunderstandings lead to frustration, arguments, or feeling left out. Many withdraw from family gatherings, hobbies, or church groups, increasing isolation, a major risk factor for depression and cognitive decline. Untreated hearing loss doubles dementia risk and triples it in severe cases, per large studies. Daily safety drops, not hearing smoke alarms, approaching cars, or phone rings. Driving or walking becomes riskier. Work or volunteer roles suffer if communication falters. Emotionally, people feel embarrassed, old, or burdensome, leading to lower self-esteem. Financially, delayed treatment means higher costs later from complications. Families notice irritability or confusion first, mistaking it for aging or dementia. In Japan, early aids and communication strategies keep seniors engaged longer. Many stay socially active into their 90s. Here, noticing too late often means losing independence sooner than necessary.
What really works to catch and manage this early? Share evidence-based steps seniors can take before it's too late.
Early detection is key. Don't wait for obvious trouble. Get a baseline hearing test in your 50s or 60s. Then annually after 65, many primary care visits or Medicare wellness checks cover it. Watch for signs. Asking what? Often turning up volume, trouble in groups, or tinnitus. Ringing. If loss is confirmed, hearing aids are highly effective. Modern digital ones are discreet, app-controlled, and improve speech clarity dramatically. Studies show they reduce cognitive decline risk, boost mood, and enhance social connections. Combined with communication strategies, face people directly, reduce background noise, speak clearly, protect remaining hearing, avoid loud noises, use ear protection, manage related conditions, control blood pressure, diabetes, avoid ototox meds when possible. In Japan, group hearing support and preventive habits are common. Seniors do listening exercises or use assistive devices early. Simple home changes help. Amplified phones, TV streamers, alert systems with lights vibrations. Start small. Many who act early report huge improvements in energy and joy.
What does this mean for people over 60 and their families today? And how can they act now to avoid regret?
For many over 60, this silent decline quietly erodes joy. Missing grandchildren's whispers, music nuances, or important news. Families feel the strain from repeated explanations or watching loved ones withdraw. The regret is common. I wish I'd done something sooner. But it's never fully too late. Even moderate loss responds well to aids and strategies. Encourage open talks. If family notices signs, gently suggest a test. Schedule that hearing check. It's quick, painless, and often covered. Embrace technology. Today's aids look like earbuds, connect to phones, even filter noise. Japan shows prevention pays off. Proactive screening and acceptance reduce stigma, keeping people connected longer. Priorities this like vision or teeth. It's essential for brain health and independence. Act today. Get tested, protect ears, stay social. You deserve to hear life's sounds clearly for as long as possible.
Powerful wake-up call. Thank you, doctor. If you're over 60 or know someone who is, don't ignore those subtle signs. Share this video, like if it resonated, and subscribe for more life-changing senior health truths. Hear well, live fully.